Welcome back to Levitas, where we unlock the secrets to a leaner, healthier, and happier you. Today, we're chatting deep into a topic that affects millions of people. What a fatty liver is, and how you can reverse it. Be prepared. As always, we have got the ultimate guide packed with practical tips and insights to help you kickstart your journey towards optimal liver health. So come on and join us. Stay tuned and ready to absorb this amazing information. At the end of the video, we will also give the main benefits on reversing fatty liver and how this can improve your weight loss, energy levels, daily life, and general body's health. So stay with us. First, let's understand what your liver's functions are, what a fatty liver is, and why this is such an important matter. Your liver is a very important organ found in the abdomen. It's the unsung hero of your body because it works tirelessly to detoxify, metabolize fats, produce essential proteins, and store vitamins. But when too much fat builds up and gets stored inside of your liver, it becomes overwhelmed, leading to a condition known as fatty liver disease. In other words, a liver that is exaggeratedly filled of fatty tissue. This is a major and common health problem. There are two main types of fatty liver disease: alcoholic fatty liver disease caused by excessive alcohol consumption, and non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, also known by NAFLD, often linked to poor diet and a very sedentary lifestyle. Now that we have learned the basics on liver and fatty liver, let's talk solutions. The key to reversing a fatty liver lies in making sustainable lifestyle changes. And guess what? As you might have already guessed, it all starts in the kitchen. In reality, it all starts in your mind by making the decision to be healthier and implement better habits. But let's talk about what are the steps you should take in the kitchen and in your life for you to achieve optimal liver health. Step number 1. Revamp your diet with whole, nutrient-rich foods. Load up on low-sugar fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy fats while totally avoiding those processed foods, sugary snacks, and excessive carbohydrates. Think of it as giving your liver a spa day with every bite. Step number 2. Hydration is key. Swap out sugary beverages for water, herbal teas, and freshly lemon juice. Not only does adequate hydration support liver function, but it also helps flush out toxins and keep cravings at bay. You can use natural sweeteners to improve the taste of your liquids like stevia, monk fruit, or allulose. These healthier options will not have those bad side effects on your liver and on your general health as sugar would, so they are a much healthier choice. Step number 3, get your body moving. Regular exercise isn't just about shedding pounds. It's about supporting overall health, and this includes your liver health. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate activity most days of the week to boost circulation, reduce inflammation, and improve liver function. You can also add in 20 to 30-minute walks after each meal. This simple activity has the power to help you and your liver with better glucose management. Step number 4, prioritize sleep like it's your job and you are paid for it. Good quality rest is essential for liver health and overall weight control. Aim for at least 7 to 9 hours of uninterrupted sleep each night to allow your liver and your body to repair, regenerate, and recharge. Step number 5, consider supplementing with liver-loving nutrients. These nutritious supplements include elements like milk thistle, dandelion root, choline, and omega-3 fatty acids to further support detoxification and liver regeneration. And lastly, as promised, here are 7 points on how reversing your fatty liver can improve your weight loss, your health, and daily life. Point number 1, improved energy levels. Reversing fatty liver can lead to increased energy levels and reduced fatigue. With a healthier liver, the body can more efficiently metabolize nutrients and produce energy, as well as helping the detoxification processes, resulting in a much greater sense of self-felt vitality. Point number 2, weight loss. Addressing fatty liver always involves lifestyle changes, such as adopting a healthier diet and increasing physical activity. As a result, you will experience great weight loss, which can further improve liver health and also make you feel like a new, healthier version of yourself. And who doesn't want to be leaner and healthier, right? Point number 3, reduced inflammation. Fatty liver is often associated with chronic inflammation in the liver and throughout the entire body. When you start reversing fatty liver, you will experience a decrease in inflammation, leading to improvements in various health markers and a reduced risk of chronic diseases. Many parts of your body, like fingers or knees, will feel lighter and with no pain as you gradually get to reverse this fatty problem. Point number 4, improved metabolic health. Fatty liver is closely linked to metabolic syndrome, a cluster of conditions that increase the risk of heart disease, stroke, and type 2 diabetes. Reversing fatty liver can improve insulin sensitivity, blood sugar control, and cholesterol and triglyceride levels, thereby reducing the risk of metabolic complications. Point number 5, better digestive health. A healthier liver can support better digestion and nutrient absorption. You may experience fewer digestive issues such as that fatidic bloating, gassy sensation, and indigestion, taking you to a greater comfort level and overall gastrointestinal and digestive well-being. Point number 6, improved mood and mental clarity. Liver health is so closely connected to mental health because the liver plays a huge role in metabolizing hormones and neurotransmitters. When you get down to reversing fatty liver, it will contribute to improved mood, cognitive function, and overall mental clarity. So we believe that now is a great time for clear and positive decisions. Don't you agree? Point number 7, lower risk of liver disease. It's kind of obvious that if you start reversing fatty liver, you will also reduce their risk of developing more severe liver conditions such as non-alcoholic steatohepatitis, also known as NASH, cirrhosis, and even liver cancer. So if you start taking good care of this important organ, not will you only be leaner, but you will also feel energized. And in return, your liver will provide you with a much longer and healthier life too. In conclusion, and to summarize today's video, there you have it, friends. Reversing a fatty liver is entirely achievable with the right mindset and lifestyle habits. From better energy to better body composition, and from improved insulin sensitivity to the prevention of severe liver illness. Reversing fatty liver is the best option to empower your health starting now. Remember that small changes can yield significant results, so start implementing these tips today and watch your liver thank you later. Also, be mindful about all the great benefits that reversing this fatty issue will give you so you can auto-motivate yourself and start reversing your fatty liver as soon as possible. Before you go, don't forget to show some love by liking this video, subscribing to our channel, and hitting that bell icon for notifications on future videos on weight loss, health, and well-being. And remember, sharing is caring. Spread the word to friends and family who knows they might need your help too. Leave a comment below with your questions, thoughts, and experiences. Also, let us know what topics you'd like us to cover next. Together, we can empower each other to live our healthiest, happiest lives. Thanks for tuning in to Levitas, your ultimate destination for wellness wisdom. Until next time, stay healthy, stay happy, and keep going. Stay tuned for more empowering content every week.